Hi, Jello.
Hello. Welcome to my resort. Kulang ako isang gabi. Frontliners. Hindi, iwan ko ata yung wallet ko sa ano. Yes, Joe's Room.
Congratulations, my friend.
Yes. Abu Dhabi.
You're from Abu Dhabi?
Yeah.
So, are you 2 hours from here?
Like 1 hour.
1 hour.
We're going to our room. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, friend.
Welcome to our room.
Our room in JA Palm Tree
Thank you for winning
Court.
the contest, my friend. And we have the big mirror here.
It's my
Hi.
my third time again this year in Dubai.
And we have some cabinets. Paano to, girl?
Later, we'll discover. Okay.
We have a lot of
Drawers.
drawers and everything.
Can I see? Bathrobes. And slippers. Yay.
Perfect.
That's the very important. The comfortable slippers.
Yes, and here we have nothing, just a simple closet.
Hanger and vault.
Ayan.
It's spacious actually.
And we have complimentary water.
It's water, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
Wow, sustainable.
Water, electric kettle, some coffee machine. Yes. The bottles are pretty good.
Quite good.
And what about the ref? This is ref? No. Yes, the mini ref.
There's no chocolates inside.
Yes. We are on the garden view.
We have twin beds.
Yeah. 2 single beds. It's good.
This is your name, my friend.
Yes, my full name is here in the monitor.
Ayan.
What are your plans later?
And we have a small
Terrace. Guys, this is so amazing.
Mamatay nga siya.
It would switch off automatically once the balcony door is open. Come. Ang ganda.
Yes.
tingnan mo, may mga sunbeds.
Yeah. If you want to go tan. If you want to go tan, yes, you will expose your skin there. Yeah, here. It's under an umbrella, yes, but most of the beds are exposed in the sun. And overlooking there is the beach.
Yes, you'll see that later.
I'll zoom a little bit. And you can hear some of the running water. and birds. Hi.
It's quite hot and humid.
Yeah. Now next is the
Bathroom!
bathroom. It's big.
Yes. I'm so excited. Close the door, my friend.
My video is not stabilized. Sorry. Okay, the moment of truth.
Okay, here's our bathroom.
Okay, let me see. Let me check.
It's dun lang, hanggang dun lang.
Yeah.
So,
What's in store there? Yeah, the bathtub. Okay.
naka-ano ba? We have a very
Small. Yeah. Not so small, yeah. Average size bathtub with towels and big mirror.
huge mirror.
Huge mirror with 2 sinks. Yeah.
Favorite?
Very
Free soap.
convenient. What's that? The soap.
Soap, sanitary bag, and what's
The
this?
essentials. Essentials.
Yeah, essentials.
Extra towels.
Underneath, and we have the shower room.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes, I love it.
Shower room and toilet.
Toilet.
Very,
And if you want to call your friend, there's a phone.
inside, yes. I think it's standard already.
So that's all, guys.
Yeah, that's the room tour.
I hope you enjoy our video for our room tour.
Yeah,
Thanks for
very.
watching.